Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can contact or access Google Chat service. All you have to do now, you can search for Google Support Chat or Google Chat Help. And here we go, this is the official Google Chat Help Center where you can find tips and tutorials on using Google Chat. So here, and also there is a Chat Support Help, official Chat Support Help Center. You can click it. So here you can describe your issue in this box, or you can click this in order to access chat support. So it's the same. This is like a link, or you can send feedback about help center. You can do it later. So here, and this is the Google Chat Help. So how can help you? You can describe your issues, or you can browse the help topics, like how you can get started and how you can send direct message, join spaces, create and join spaces, reply to message conversation, use apps, notification shortcuts, Google Workspace Labs, and this is the AI, Gemini in chat, privacy data and policy. So if you need more help, you can try this to the next steps. You can post the help community, get answer from community members. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.